Hi everyone, it's Lorraine with Pigments for Hue and welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me today in another video. I'm working on a hexagon. I am using this cup from Spontaneous Creations. First time I've ever used it, so I'm just winging it here. Anyway, this is a gray and green house paint that I'm putting on here, so it's kind of a split color background. And then I'll be putting some puddles down and blowing them out with the airbrush to make a pretty flower. And the colors that I'm using are kind of an unusual combination for myself, so this whole thing was kind of I don't know, just kind of a see what I can do with colors type thing, what they would do. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will interject when necessary, and otherwise enjoy the video, and I will see you at the end with the dry results. I really had to spin and spin this. The paint was really thick, and I didn't thin the paint down. I didn't even really think about it. This was really an off day for me. I just wasn't feeling the paint, and I don't think it was feeling me either. Okay, I'm torching this, and then I will be putting my colors down so that I can blow them out with the airbrush.
You got me singing.
You got me singing. You got me singing.
Okay, I'm going to be putting some cell activator on the end two flowers that will be black, and then the center one is iridescent gold. And I should have started blowing the leaves out. I just was not in a mood to paint when I did this. So, yeah, I should have blown the leaves out first and then gone over the flowers. So, lesson learned, I need to pay attention. And it's not so much that I didn't want to paint, I just haven't been feeling well, so I'm trying to get back on schedule again, so I'm just trying to go for it.
Splash on my plate. Wanna get you 당장. When you head up, when the leaf cannon or dash on your flavor, splash on my brain. I dash on your face, but can't me so bad. You're such a sway, splash on my brain. I dash on your face, but can't me so bad. You're such a sway. Dancing on my ass like a move. Mad rat shit in my shoes. Pull up to your bed and never lose. Show me that we're getting loose. See me now, no can take you off. Got no time, babe, please take that off. Swerving on the beat, no need to get that car. Swerving on the beat, no need to get that car. I get that cash and I go hard. Spend on the cash on the fashion. Ain't gotta talk on the shit at all. Show this just let everybody talk. Show this just let everybody talk. Ooh, swerving with you. Got me crazy, oh then I'll keep it on you. 어젯밤만 네 생각에 잠도 못 일어, yeah. 어젯밤만 내 생각에 뭔가 잘못했어. Just care about it cause 곤란하니까 You make me dizzy, 알아 머리 아파 지금도 너 생각해. Yeah, yeah, just wanna keep going, oh yeah. 오늘 내 약속이, oh yeah. 있어도 break that shit 아직 갈 길 멀어 우리 사이에. You're so bulletproof 안기고 싶어 네 품
지금 앉아 가사 쓰는 중너 생각에 잠겨 yeah yeah.
Crank me so bad 이건 내가 위험해 Don't tell my friends Check it I'm gon' dash Crank me so bad 이건 내가 위험해 Don't tell my friends Check it I'm gon' dash Wanna get you right now Need to take me like bomb Heart gon' speed so cold Splash on my lady Wanna get you 당장 매일 했던 답답해 Wanna leave cannon 널 dash on your flavor Splash on my brain I dash on your flavor Gave me so bad You're such a slayer Splash on my brain I dash on your flavor Gave me so bad You're such a slayer
Let's get down for some soju I take a shot, it's not you I don't want to live without you There's the feeling that is not new I wanna chill, I wanna go, wanna enjoy I wanna watch anything with me and just you 전화에 데리러 갈게 Hit me a 기분 별로일 때 Lift you up 너 어디든 간에 달려와 나한테 안겨서 보고 싶었다는 말 한마디면 녹아버리네 Like a snowflake 꿈만 같아 같이 자 Was so swell, lucky to be with you We will always pass for the blue
Wanna get you right now Need to take me like bomb Heart gon' speed so cold Splash on my lady Wanna get you 당장 매일 했던 답답해 Wanna leave cannon 널 dash on your flavor Splash on my brain I dash on your flavor Gave me so bad You're such a slayer Splash on my brain I dash on your flavor Gave me so bad You're such a slayer
Okay, so this is what this pretty much looks like, and I will be bringing you in for the dry results right now. And so I like this better today than what I did last night when it was wet, that's for sure. These are typically not colors that I use together, so I don't know, I just thought I'd kind of play around a little bit. So let me know what you think in the comments. If you haven't done so, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button so that you'll know when my next video is up. And until then, you all take care now. Bye bye.